Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the textual solution for English for Standard 10. Unit number 1, the poem Dust of Snow. So firstly we'll see the summary of the poem. In the poem Dust of Snow, the poet Robert Frost talks about the importance of even small things in life and how they can affect one's mood. The poet has beautifully represented the healing power of nature and how nature can uplift a bad mood. Now we'll see basic introduction for all questions which you need to write in the beginning of the questions. Okay. So this question is taken from the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. This poem tells us that even a simple moment has a large significance. Both the crow and the hemlock tree in the poem signify that the poet was not in a good mood, and so he describes the dark, depressive, and bitter side of nature to represent his similar mood. Now, thinking about the poem, first question: what is a dust of snow? What does the poet say has changed his mood? How has the poet's mood changed? Dust of snow refers to the tiny particles of snow that fall on the poet. The particles are so small that the poet referred to them as dust. The poet was not in a good mood when particles of snow had fallen on him. This changed the poet's mood and his rest of the day got a lot better. Second one, how does Frost present nature in the poem? The following questions may help you to think of an answer. So the first question is, what are the birds that are usually named in the poems? Do you think a crow is often mentioned in poems? What images come to your mind when you think of a crow? So the answer is, sparrows, nightingales, swallows and peacocks are the birds that are usually named in the poems. No, I don't think a crow is mentioned in the poems. Crows are not considered beautiful or elegant like other birds. They usually bring negative images to mind like fear and even death. Second question is, again, what is a hemlock tree? Why doesn't the poet write about a more beautiful tree such as a maple or an oak or a pine? A hemlock tree is a tree associated with something negative or poisonous. The poet has not written about a more beautiful tree such as a maple or an oak or a pine, as these trees symbolizes beauty and happiness, and the poet wanted to express the darker side of nature, showing his significant mood. Third question, what do the crow and hemlock represent, joy or sorrow? What does the dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree stand for? The crow and hemlock tree represents sorrow. The dust of snow that the crow shakes off the hemlock tree stands for joy that the poet experiences. Therefore, he has used the hemlock tree and the crow in order to contrast them with joy in the form of snow. Third one, have there been times when you felt depressed or hopeless? Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? So, in this, you need to write about yourself. I have written a sample answer, you can see it. Yes, everyone feels depressed or hopeless at some time. Being a human, I am no exception. I felt quite hopeless one day. I went jogging at a park and then sat on a bench. When I looked at the ground, I saw dead skin rotting due to rain, but from this, tiny tender sprouts were rising. The world at that spot was not pleasant at all, yet those tiny plants rose from it, bringing hope of life. That made me smile and changed my mood. I returned home with hope in my mind. And here we come to the end of the answers. I hope you have understood the complete textual answers. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.